Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids! Welcome to another exciting adventure in learning and coloring. Today, we're going to explore the letter N. Are you ready? Let's go! Here it is, the letter N. Do you see how it looks? It has two straight lines and one line that goes from the top to the bottom, slanting to the other side. It's like a mountain with a little bridge. It's so cool. Can you say N? Now, let's make our letter N even more fun by coloring it. We're going to use a pretty pink color. Are you ready? Grab your pink crayon or marker and let's color. Look at that! Our letter N is now a lovely shade of pink. Great job, everyone! Next, let's find something that starts with the letter N. Can you guess what it is? It's a nest. Nests are where birds make their homes and lay their eggs. They're warm and cozy. Now let's color the nest with a sunny yellow. Grab your yellow crayon or marker and let's make this nest shine. Look at that beautiful yellow nest. It's so bright and cheerful. Nests help keep little baby birds safe and snug. Great coloring, everyone. Today, we learned that the letter N looks like a mountain with a bridge. We colored the letter N in pink and the nest in yellow. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing your letters and have fun with your colors. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter N and coloring our nest. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.